Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing medium weight 8, 5x11, or A4 paper because it holds shape without being heavy. Fold the long edge to the long edge and press a firm center crease so future folds track cleanly. Next, fold the two top corners down to meet the center line and align edges exactly. This forms the nose triangle. Once that nose is tidy, make sure each corner's point is symmetric because small asymmetries multiply later in flight performance. You now lock the nose and define the body so the dart flies straight. Fold the small triangular flap down over the nose and press a firm crease at that base. This adds weight up front. Then fold both outer edges inward to the center line, keeping margins equal so the dart balances. Once done, mark a point 1 inch from the bottom and fold each wing up 1/2 inch. These small winglets stabilize rotation. Keep all creases sharp for consistent flight behavior. You finish by refining symmetry and testing. This is where good darts become great. Sharpen every crease with a fingernail or bone folder and inspect both sides for mirror image alignment. Then make a few gentle underhand throws at short range, watching whether the nose climbs, dives, or yaws. If it veers, adjust. Bend winglets up or down slightly to change lift, or add a tiny 0. 5-gram tape weight to the nose to reduce porpoising. Repeat until flight is straight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.